Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Snapchat is not working. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. So what to do if Snapchat is not working? When Snapchat stops working, there are generally a handful of possible causes. The best approach is usually to troubleshoot the issue by trying the most likely fixes one at a time, starting with the ones that are easiest or fastest to test. So when you try to open your Snapchat but it won't open, it's first close. So you have to check maybe your Snapchat apps is on the expire version. So you can check on your App Store or Play Store. You can search for Snapchat. If there is an option to update, you can update your Snapchat to the latest version, to the newest version. After you update your Snapchat apps, you can open it and you can check if your Snapchat is already back to normal or not. If it's still not working, you can try this solution. So you can go to your settings on your phone. You can scroll down. You can go to apps, tap on app, tap on manage apps. You can search for Snapchat. This one. You can select on that. And there is an option clear data. You can select on that. You can select on clear cache and tap on OK. So maybe there is a bug on your Snapchat apps, and if you clear cache, it will be clear your the bug from your Snapchat apps. Now you can reopen your Snapchat and see if your Snapchat is back to normal again or not. If it's still not working, maybe you can try to uninstall your Snapchat and you can install it back to your phone. But before that, maybe you can try to restart your phone because maybe the problem is not on your Snapchat app but on your phone. So you can reboot or restart your phone and try to open your Snapchat again. It's very simple, right? So that is how to fix Snapchat not working. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.